We've got some exciting new features in Aspire that you don't want to miss, including a brand new customer portal for your customers, improved vendor management, dynamic revenue forecasting, photo and attachment enhancements, improved route optimization, and new change order features for greater flexibility. Let's start with the new customer portal. It's been redesigned from the ground up. Your customers will now experience an intuitive, mobile-friendly site where they can easily see their balance, manage requests, proposals, and invoices. If they have multiple properties, they can filter the content accordingly. Invoices due, pending proposals, and pending requests can be accessed quickly from the home screen. Payment methods can be managed under their account. You can also add a carousel of images to inform your customers of special events or services you offer. If they click a carousel image, they can be directed to a link you determine. Now let's dive into Aspire and look at the new and improved configuration page. At the top, you'll see the subdomain and invitation email settings. Below that, you have a wide array of options to customize your portal to suit your brand requirements and provide a pleasing experience to your customers. As you make changes on the left, the desktop and mobile previews will update in real time. Adjust the header elements, including your logo, which sections display on the home page, the carousel images, other colors, and service contact information. Everything you need is right here with this new intuitive design. Next up is improved vendor management to improve the estimating and purchasing processes. From inside an estimate, you can now assign vendors to specific items during the bidding stage, providing better control and planning for upcoming projects. Vendors can be assigned at the work ticket level, even for jobs scheduled months in advance. Simply create a receipt. Within the Vendors and Purchasing tab, you'll see the vendor associated with the items. You can change the vendor for one or multiple items, and the vendor will be updated wherever the items are displayed throughout Aspire. In addition, the Purchasing Assistant now includes a vendor field to quickly filter items for specific vendors. Next is dynamic forecasting. This tool improves planning and resource allocation for long-range construction projects. From the Work Tickets screen, you can now project monthly forecasts for the upcoming year, including revenue, labor hours, and material spend. In the first column, you'll see the opportunities, work tickets, and services. In the second column, you'll see the months for the years you've selected. Simply select a cell to enter the estimated amount. Past months are locked from editing on the first day of the next month when the forecasted values change to actual values. The third column shows the estimated, earned, and remaining totals. It updates automatically as the data is updated. You can also export the forecasting data to Excel, empowering you to conduct further analysis and make informed decisions. Next up are highly requested photo and attachment enhancements. When uploading attachments, you can now quickly add notes and tags to easily categorize and document attachments. When viewing attachments, you're now presented with either a list view or gallery view, so you can quickly preview all of the attachments. If you select an attachment, you can edit its details, and you'll see a link to the page where the attachment was added. Quickly preview attachments right from within Aspire, including PDFs, eliminating the need to download them. With the added ability to add notes and tags, your attachments can quickly be located by searching or filtering. Next, we've improved route optimization, providing greater flexibility for individual routes. When creating or editing a route, you can now enter a route address that Aspire will use to optimize the route. This address will serve as the starting point for the route, rather than the branch level address. You can also set specific start and end points for each day. Simply right-click on the job you want to set as the first stop. This will anchor the job as the first stop for the day. Then right-click on the job you wish to be the last stop for the day. When you optimize the route, the jobs you anchored will remain as the first and last stops regardless of their physical location. All other jobs will be optimized based on the first and last stops that you selected. And lastly, we've enhanced the handling of change orders for fixed-price open billing work orders in Aspire. To add a positive change order from the opportunity, add a change order at the top right. Then add the changes to the order. In this case, it's a positive change. You can see the change in price on the right. Next, complete and win the estimate. Within the invoice, you'll see the revised amount based on the change order. You can also add negative change orders when retainage is the only amount left to invoice, as long as the change order does not exceed the retained amount and there's at least one open work ticket. To create a negative change order, again go to the opportunity and update the estimate with the negative changes. If the negative amount does not exceed the retainage, you can complete and win the estimate, which will update accordingly on the invoice. As you can see, this new release has added greater flexibility and will help to streamline your workflows. If you have any questions, we're always here to help. Thanks for using Aspire.